Soft background music starts, sound of wind and distant rotor blades. Narrator calm, cinematic tone. In a quiet open field, beneath the vast blue sky, stands a masterpiece of modern hobby engineering, a massive Soviet RC gunship, modeled after the legendary Mi-17 inches HIP helicopter. Its presence is commanding, its scale, unbelievable. From a distance, it looks almost real, as if a full-sized military helicopter has landed on a grassy airfield. This is not a military weapon. This is passion, precision, and artistry brought together by human hands. Camera pans slowly across the helicopter's body. The sunlight glides across its olive green camouflage, revealing every detail, from the red stars painted proudly on its fuselage, to the fine texture of the composite panels. Every line, every bolt, every marking pays homage to the iconic Soviet design. As the camera moves closer, we see the front view, the face of this giant model helicopter. The twin cockpit windows gleam like eyes of steel, reflecting the open sky. The shape of the nose is unmistakably Mi-17, broad, powerful, and aerodynamic. The front landing gear rests firmly on the ground, balanced and solid. Behind the transparent canopy, the pilot seats and instrument panels are replicated with meticulous care. Even though it's unmanned, the craftsmanship gives life to an illusion, as if a real crew is ready for takeoff. The large rotor assembly sits proudly on top, each blade spanning across several meters. As sunlight hits their edges, you can almost feel the energy they're about to unleash. The model builder kneels beside it, wearing a red shirt and cap. His hands move carefully, checking every rotor connection, adjusting every control wire, ensuring that this mechanical bird is ready to rise. This isn't just a hobby. This is devotion. Soft click of switches, sound of fuel pump starting. He turns a small dial. The helicopter hums. The servos inside respond like a living heart. The tail light blinks once, a sign of life. The Mi-17, in its real form, is a twin-turbine transport and gunship helicopter developed by the Soviet Union. It has carried soldiers, supplies, and hope across countless terrains, from snow-covered Siberia to desert battlefields. Recreating such a machine in RC scale is no easy feat. It requires months of design, 3D modeling, electronics installation, and precision balancing. Each part, from the rotor blades to the landing skids, is hand-built with millimeter accuracy. The fuselage alone can weigh over 60 kilograms. The blades are carbon-reinforced for strength, and the engines produce a deep mechanical roar when fired up. Every flight is a test of trust, between man and machine. Now, the camera moves slowly toward the back side. Here, the tail boom extends like a metallic spine, ending with a perfectly crafted tail rotor, small but powerful, controlling the yaw stability of the aircraft. The rear exhaust vents glint in the sunlight, releasing faint heat waves from the internal turbine system. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the size. The tail stretches nearly 3 meters behind the fuselage. Every panel, every rivet, every Russian marking is visible, as if this machine rolled straight out of a Soviet hangar. The man crouches behind it, checking the tail rotor. He twists the blades gently, smooth and silent. The precision here is breathtaking. It's not just a toy, it's a scaled-down legend. Ambient sounds grow stronger. Wind blowing, faint ticking of rotors. The builder steps back, radio controller in hand. He breathes deeply, the kind of silence that comes just before something powerful awakens. He presses a switch. The rotors begin to spin, slow at first, then faster, faster, until they become a blur. The sound of air cutting through blades grows louder, echoing across the open field. Grass bends beneath the rotor wash. Dust swirls in circles. The Mi-17 model seems alive now, trembling, lifting slightly on its landing gear. This is the climax, the moment of transformation. The machine that once sat still now defies gravity, rising gracefully into the air. From the front, the helicopter looks majestic, steady and balanced. Its nose points slightly upward as it gains altitude. From below, the sunlight shines through the rotor disc, creating a halo of light around it. The red stars glint, and the olive-green body glows under the afternoon sky. The sound is deep and rhythmic, a mechanical heartbeat. Every turn of the rotor tells a story of craftsmanship and courage. The builder follows its movement carefully, his hands steady on the controller. Years of experience flow through his fingers. He maneuvers the helicopter forward, backward, and then in a slow, cinematic rotation, showing its back, tail, and side. The camera captures every detail as it hovers in perfect symmetry. In this moment, the boundary between model and reality disappears. This RCMI-17 is more than a replica. It's a tribute, a bridge between history and innovation. It represents the spirit of aviation, that human desire to build, to understand, and to fly. From the Soviet engineers who designed the original, to the hobbyist who built this model, the legacy continues. Every nut, every motor, every piece of wiring carries a story of patience, learning, and passion. Behind every machine, there's a dreamer. And this machine, though small compared to its real-life counterpart, carries the same heart, a heart made of circuits, steel, and imagination. After a few minutes of controlled flight, the pilot begins his descent. The rotors slow slightly as the helicopter lowers itself gracefully onto the grass. The landing skids touch down softly, the blades still spinning in a shimmering blur. A gust of air ripples through the field. The camera zooms in on the tail, the red star still bright, the word, Vivs Rossi, Russian Air Force visible in clean Cyrillic letters. The pilot walks forward, kneels beside it once more, and powers it down. The rotor blades gradually stop, one by one, until silence returns. The helicopter rests again, silent but proud. In a world filled with instant technology, where everything can be bought or replaced, this creation stands as a symbol of patience and craftsmanship. It reminds us that great things come from hands that build, minds that dream, and hearts that never stop learning. What you see here is not just an RC aircraft, it's the result of countless hours of labor, creativity, and love for aviation. From the front to the back, every view of this Mi-17 gunship tells a story, the story of human ambition, precision, and art. Soft orchestral music fades in. The camera captures the final wide shot. The helicopter resting in the open field, the man standing beside it, sunlight stretching across the horizon. A whisper of wind passes through the grass. The story ends where it began, in quiet admiration of what humans can create when imagination meets dedication. Narrator closing line, calm voice. This is not a machine of war. This is a machine of wonder. A Soviet legend reborn, through the hands of a dreamer.